Hey all, this is Bando Picks. I am going to be breaking out of these ASP rigid handcuffs. These things are smooth as butter. There I go. Get them tightened down pretty tight. I did learn how to pick the lock on these too, so I'll be working on some videos where I actually pick the lock too. It's hard to do in frame. Oh, and what does everybody think of my vest? I got this today at the thrift store, and I'm all about thrifting. What do you think? Vested. It's Columbia. Nice, huh? Got out already on one side. And I'm out of the other side. Thanks all. Please like and subscribe.